हाँ जी बच्चों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका हमारे साथ। गर्ल्स विल बी गर्ल्स की बहुत अच्छी टीम आई है, सोने सोने चेहरे हैं। आपका नाम है रिचा,
जी।
आपके नाम में रिच आता है इसलिए आप प्रोड्यूसर बन गई हो?
नहीं, मेरे नाम से चड्डा हैगा ते फिर।
अच्छा, तो बिजनेस सेंस है आप?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
तो लड़के को भी आपने इस काम में लगा लिया है कि भी प्रोड्यूस करो?
हाँ, ही इज गुड्डू फ्रॉम मिर्जापुर।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा काम करता है लड़का। अली फजल, आप गजल सुनाते हैं फजल साहब अपनी वाइफ को? मैं तो जी मैं नज़में एक दो सुना देता हूँ आपकी आंटी को, तो बड़ा खुश होती है। आप सुनाते हैं?
नहीं, मैं ज्यादा नहीं सुना पाता हूँ।
कैसे फिर इम्प्रेस कैसे करते हैं आप?
मैं नाचना लगता हूँ कभी कभी,
हाँ,
जब डाउट में होता हूँ
जब
या
डाउट में
पिक्चर
होते
दिखा
तो
देता हूँ।
नाचने लगते हो?
हाँ।
अच्छा।
इनके इशारों पे नाचते हो कि कोई गाने पे नाचते हो?
फुल इशारों पे।
वाह जी वाह। आपका तो डांस है, इनका तो इनकी ताल बिल्कुल सही है जी।
अरे मत करो खुद से हिलने लगता हूँ।
ऑटोमेटेड हो रखा है जी। ये बच्चों ने भी बहुत अच्छा काम किया है।
थैंक यू
बेटे,
अंकल।
बट उसमें तो बहुत ज्यादा ये
आपने नहीं किया अंकल?
ना जी।
सच्ची
हमारे तो
में?
3 बच्चे हैं, तीनों ही जो है वो फूलों वाली टोकरी से आए थे। हाँ जी,
आप
मंदिर से
स्पेशल
जाके।
अंकल।
हाँ जी हाँ जी, ये सारे काम
नहीं करते आप? तो आपके बच्चे तो करते होंगे।
नहीं 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 बेटे।
नहीं
पर वो वीएफएक्स से हुआ था।
हाँ, ग्रीन
फिर
स्क्रीन लगा
ठीक
था।
है, फिर
हाँ,
ठीक है।
एक मैनिक्विन आया था।
हाँ, दिखाते हैं रोबोट होता है आजकल।
हाँ।
रोबोट के साथ एक्टर करते हैं, फिर बाद में
हाँ।
एडिटिंग कर लेते हैं आजकल।
हाँ।
काफी कुछ
आप काफी
एडवांस।
एडवांस हो अंकल।
मैं पढ़ता रहता हूँ, आप जैसे बच्चों की फिल्में जो है देखता रहता हूँ। तो गर्ल्स विल बी गर्ल्स है, कौन सी एक बात है जिसको सुन के हमेशा कोई ना कोई आपको कह ही देता है कि गर्ल्स विल बी गर्ल्स? ऐसी कौन सी आप हरकत करते हो? कोई है ऐसी? ये तो कोई गंदी बात है, इन्होंने दूसरे को देख लिया। वेरी बैड। कोई ऐसी बात है जो आप करती हो तो लोग कहते हैं गर्ल्स विल बी गर्ल्स?
हाँ, अच्छा पिक्चर बना देते हैं तो बोलते हैं गर्ल्स विल बी गर्ल्स।
तो शरीफ आंसर दे दिया।
हाँ जी।
बड़ा शरीफ आंसर है।
मम्मी पापा देख रहे हैं।
हाँ, नोएडा में ना।
नोएडा की
हाँ,
लड़की
नोएडा
है।
के हैं। अब मैंने आपको जॉगिंग करते हुए देखा है मेरे पार्क में। हाँ।
हाँ, मेरे को वो वाला स्टेप करते देखा आपने। बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर होता है वो।
हाँ।
मैंने सारे अपने जितने भी गली के है ना मेरे यार दोस्त, सबको करा दिया मैंने।
हाँ, बहुत।
आप करते हैं योगा करते हैं सुबह?
बहुत अच्छा।
हाँ, करते हैं योग।
योगा करते हैं।
करते हैं आप? क्योंकि
वो
आप
पार्क
सारे
वाला
fit
वो
है।
आप उसकी बात कर रहे हो जो
हाँ
पार्क
जी
में
हाँ
लगे रहते
जी
हैं।
हाँ जी। नहीं नहीं, एक ऐसा बॉडी
अच्छा,
हिलाने वाला
ऐसा
भी
भी है।
होता है। हाँ जी हाँ जी। उससे सारा जो लक का वेट है वो चला जाता है। हाँ जी हाँ जी। वो गाना ना दिलजीत का लक 28 कोई था, वो मेरा फेवरेट है, तो इसलिए मेरी
दिलजीत का है,
एक्सरसाइज है।
बहुत अच्छा।
हाँ जी हाँ जी। चलो जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके।
हाँ जी।
आपके चेहरे बहुत सुंदर लगता है, योगा करते ही हैं आप भी,
जी करते हैं।
है ना?
हाँ।
बट जब आप श्वास वाली करते हैं ना तो उंगलियों का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना। मैं कई लोगों को
श्वास?
करेक्ट कर। हाँ जी बेटे।
शिवास।
श्वास श्वास सांस जो होता है।
अच्छा, मुझे लगा अच्छा।
नहीं
अच्छा,
शिवास
अच्छा,
वो।
sorry।
अरे सवेरे सवेरे बेटे ना शिवास की बातें मत करो, साले इतनी महंगी है मेरे तो बजट से बाहर है जी। चलो अच्छा जी, आपको फिल्म की बहुत बहुत बधाई है। लड़का हमने रखा है एक बातचीत करने के लिए, उसको बुलाते हैं। अच्छा जी, अच्छा बेटे।
ठीक है।
नमस्ते।
सत श्री अकाल।
सत श्री अकाल।
हाँ।
हेलो, हमारे साथ है गर्ल्स विल बी गर्ल्स की कमाल की टीम। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका।
थैंक यू।
बहुत बहुत बधाई फिल्म के लिए। मैंने जस्ट देखी, बट आई थिंक बधाई का एक और रीजन भी हमारे पास है। आपका जन्मदिन था,
ओह,
so ये
थैंक यू।
बहुत बहुत मुबारक
फिल्म मेरे जन्मदिन पे रिलीज हुई है।
एग्जैक्टली। एंड वी हैव समथिंग
और
फॉर
ब्रैड
यू।
पिट की जन्मदिन
Oh
पे।
Oh
wow.
God,
Why don't
really?
you-
Cake?
Oh my
the
God,
cake.
are you my God, so sweet यार।
Tiramisu.
Oh God,
हाँ,
how
इसी से
sweet.
कर देंगे, ऐसे फूक देंगे।
हाँ
हाँ,
है
ये
ना?
first you
और
should.
चाकू भी लगेगा ब्रो।
हाँ, करेक्ट। वाह।
Wow,
For the
guys.
record, ये सुबह सुबह हो रहा है यहाँ पे। वाह।
Okay, can we quickly do this so
Yeah.
it's less
Yeah.
embarrassing?
Why will it be
Happy
embarrassing? Let's go.
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
funny.
birthday dear Richa. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
बस अभी किसी को
अभी किसी को खिलाएंगे नहीं।
नहीं,
हाँ, please help
Cute
yourself
जाएगा।
if you want. Like,
ये
we
बाद
can get
में-
spoons
हाँ,
और
spoon।
हम बाद में
Me and
खा
Keshav
सकते
are
हैं।
feeling cheated.
मुंह खोलने वाली।
नहीं, बाद में
But हाँ, मीठी शुरुआत हम बातों से कर लेंगे।
हटवा दे इसको, मतलब इन लोगों की आंखें यहीं पे हैं।
नहीं।
हाँ,
झूठ
थोड़ा
मत
नहीं,
थोड़ा
तो-
सा।
तो
Like
आप,
kids at a birthday party, they're
But how was
just
your
staring.
birthday?
looks nice यार।
Quiet.
What was that
That's
reaction
nice.
for you?
Oh sorry, what?
We had a really early morning flight. to get here, so it was very quiet.
All our night plans got like, sort
हाँ.
of shelved because.
और day में हम लोग सो रहे थे because we've been working very hard. Yeah.
And वो दिख रहा है. Congratulations on the work.
Thank you.
इधर इन लोगों ने किया है इसलिए काम
No,
किया।
no, no.
Of course, I really liked it. The way छोटे-छोटे जो moments हैं मुझे लगता है वो मेरे लिए stand out किए because again बहुत सारी movies में जो बड़े-बड़े sequences होते हैं तो मुझे लगता है यही impact है, but I believe the beauty of actually acting is like in really tiny moments.
Yeah.
Whereas अब शुरुआत करते हैं एक trendy moments की बात करते हुए कि आपकी एक reel बहुत ज़्यादा trend कर रही है. Are you aware? You know which one I'm talking about?
I know. I'm really excited to be part of this side of the world.
अबे ना फुला मारेंगे तुम्हारी पैसा बताओ कितना हुआ
The
I know,
accent one,
man.
and that in contrast with your Guddu Bhaiya.
Oh God, yeah.
What do you think?
I can't think anything. This is the world of the memes. Anybody can become anything. Anybody can be made into anything. मैं वो तो 2016 या 17 का कुछ इंटरव्यू है जब मैं नया ऐसा हॉलीवुड में गया था, मतलब जाते ही एक्सेंट आ गया था मुझे। हाँ, और उसमें ब्यूटीफुली, मतलब मैं होता वहाँ पे तो मैं भी ऐसी कोई मीम बनाता।
बट मुझे लगता है ऐसा होता है कि जब आपसे कोई एक्सेंट में बात कर रहा होता है तो आप एज अ रिप्लाई वो वैसे ही हो
वैसे ही
जाता है।
होता है।
हाँ नहीं, बट स्लोली आई थिंक आई हैव थोड़ा नॉर्मलाइज्ड। पहले बहुत था, पहले हाउस पूरा ऐसे मैं खुद नहीं समझता था मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ।
But I think you are a fancy guy also. You are a
हाँ.
isn't he a fancy guy?
Yeah.
I live
Very homely guy.
हाँ, but
No,
homely
but
guys can also
he
be-
has his own taste for things.
Yeah.
That's there. Yeah.
अब
But
But-
वो I think accent वाला तो I think I was around for the first few interviews.
that was actually from
He
when
was trying to be understood more than.
Yeah.
yeah, no, but that I remember where
That's
it was. It was when we were doing the tribute to Judy.
Hmm.
Jeff Bridges, me, and Army, we were doing a tribute for. She was getting a Lifetime Achievement Award.
But somebody like you who's so fancy, how do you crack somebody like Guddu?
हमारा पेशा है।
I know, but like, we really want to know what you do, what the
What the?
what the sorcery
man.
is.
No, there's no sorcery. There's just different geographies, and we shift our, that's our craft. I believe in.
Wow,
that,
इतना
and we
simple
try.
आपने बोल दिया एक. I mean, I just wanted to know कि Guddu के लिए did you like what was the process like?
Hey, there was a process. I went and spent a lot of time with people. Watched. Yeah.
Watch.
नहीं यार वो मैं बताऊंगा off record बताऊंगा.
Oh,
But
okay.
some interesting things we did. Yeah.
Oh,
But habits I had to create.
Physicality was so cool.
The physicality and all that. Yeah, those things are like just you have to do the work. You
Okay.
can't escape that.
We had Shweta Tripathi also on the show, and she was like, "I'm really excited for what's coming for Mirzapur as well, which is the next season." So
No, but actually excited for the film.
Film.
First. Yeah, so that
Yeah.
is hopefully going on floor soon.
okay,
Amazing.
girls will be girls. मुझे लगता है शुरुआत में ही it teleported us to our teenage days because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's also a very universal experience. आप किसी भी शहर में हो, कहीं भी हो, puberty ऐसी चीज है जो सबके लिए एक तरह सा similar सा fight रहा है.
Yeah.
So did you draw any like from your own experiences from your own life
Yeah.
while you were
Definitely,
portraying
yeah.
these teenage?
Yeah, there was a skeleton, एक overview type, and then it was कि अगर वो situation में ऐसे हो जाता तो फिर like mapping it out type
Yeah.
for me.
What about you?
I think yes, that fear of getting caught. Matlab, you're also figuring out what's right and what's wrong for you. So in that process, sometimes your rights don't align with your parents' rights, and you would want to secretly venture out into figuring out this thing for yourself. And then there's always this impending fear that someone's going to find me, someone's going to judge me. So yeah, that was very common in the film and film.
This was the first time you faced a film camera.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Both of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
she's done short films and ads, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ads and shorts. Okay. Yeah.
Wow. And मतलब काफी लंबी चौड़ी workshops रही आप लोगों की acting की?
No, honestly, we were not very. It was more of an internal process, and it's like giving a little bit and letting things happen naturally, organically. So I felt like the workshops weren't very intense and not putting us too much into the
Yeah,
Kind
it
of
was
the
10
character.
days, in fact, very close by here in Noida.
Noida.
in Noida.
And,
Noida represent.
Yeah, yes.
I think in one line it was basically the language of the director हमारे casting director Dilip Shankar sir,
Yeah.
he taught us that language which Suchi ma'am, our director, was going to use on the set.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and there were so many intimate scenes as well, and you were
Yeah.
showing intimacy between again these teenage boy and girl. But also, if I may ask, how old are you guys?
We're 23.
I'm 24.
24.
This
Oh,
month, yeah.
pretty young. So,
Yeah.
and you were portraying these teenage, boy and girl.
Adults, 19 and 18.
That's also teen.
Huh?
Yeah, 19 is teen.
19,
19.
18.
Right. shit.
So how did you arrive on that? Like, I'm sure you had an intimacy coordinator.
No,
That's
too
what it's called,
expensive.
But
Too expensive.
Shuchi is a great intimacy coordinator alongside being a director and a script writer and just a wonderful human. And her previous projects also dealt with intimacy, so she brought a lot of experience on set. And also we just had a lot of women on set, which made the whole intimacy experience very comfortable and closed set. Not a lot of people on set whenever we were having any.
But on a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult was it to, like, I'm just coming from a layman's perspective. I'm
Yeah.
sure you guys are actors, you guys are trained, and for you, it's like any other scene.
Yeah.
But as a layman, I would have so many, doubts and apprehensions. Like, how did these guys, these young actors, and who were facing film camera for the first time,
Yeah.
actually crack it? So on a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult was it?
I think I was most worried about the intimate scenes. Lekin the easiest was also, I think,
The
that
intimate
like
scenes,
it
yeah.
just went so easily. Like we shot it so easily because again of the open communication between the director, between her and me, myself.
Yeah.
So it was very easy.
Yeah.
Except
2 on a scale of 1 to 10, 2.
Yeah.
It was that.
a bit more for me because I had to squat at some places because of the height.
My height. Can you shut
What?
Apple boxes is not helping, so I had to just squat. So that was difficult.
It's just wrong when you say squat
Yeah.
after intimacy question. You get it? Oh,
Lovely.
God.
आप लोग collaborate कर रहे हैं,
But I
and
know what you mean. Yeah, I had to do it.
so, you
The
are.
other option was for him to say I had to spread my legs.
Oh, yeah.
That could have been
Better,
yeah.
right?
No.
It's getting too visual, by the way, guys. It's just
Not
getting
better.
too visual.
Just
No.
say I had to manage the height difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
It's the
also
first
sounds a
interview of
bit.
the day.
Oh my god.
Love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your parents will
Question.
So you were co-producing this,
Hmm.
and I know आपने काफी बार ये सवाल सुन लिया है कि you're as partners, how is it working together? क्योंकि वो वाली equation कहीं ना कहीं clash तो करती रहती है. तो
कौन
did it
सी?
clash?
कौन?
Personal, आप मतलब
Oh.
your
Hmm.
personal equation and the professional equation, does that become a hindrance or it becomes an
I
advantage?
mean, our house was our office.
Yeah.
So it had to. Like Shuchi was staying at home
Shuchi
for
lived with other directors, a
good
friend
part of
of
the year.
mine.
Yeah.
और वो हमारे घर 9 महीने रही थी.
अच्छा.
मतलब 9 महीने तो मुझे अपनी प्रेगनेंसी की भी नॉलेज नहीं थी, इतनी देर शुचि हमारे घर में. So she was like the third person in our house, like a permanent roommate. And yeah, it was great. I mean, बस ये होता था कि sometimes it feels like you're living in the work. Because
Yeah.
constantly you're looking at each other और आपको याद आता रहता है मुझे ईमेल भेजनी थी, मुझे इस बंदे
Yeah.
से बात करनी थी, उसको कॉल बैक किया क्या, etc. So that is a bit difficult to segregate
Yeah.
when you can't sort of have fun.
lot of
That's
couples who
the-
work together, they say कि जब फिर कोई लड़ाई होती है, then all of it really comes together. Then मतलब फिर
I mean,
there are professional points also raised, and then there are personal issues as well.
yeah, I'm sure.
I'm
I'm
sure
sure
that
we
there
do
like,
also.
I'm sure when we fight then there is an overlap, but not really. Mostly we are fighting about. Actually हम professional का अलग लड़ लेते हैं, personal का अलग लड़
नहीं
लेते हैं.
आता है but like
Good.
मेरे my time outs तो अलग reason के लिए होते हैं ना.
Also, like I really like what Ali's wearing, and
Thanks.
somehow I think Richard doesn't approve of it.
No, I'm not
It's really cool.
disapproving. It's
no,
just that he got a stylist and she works
She's
very
a-
hard. और ultimately अपना स्वेटर पहन के आ
Oh,
गया.
acha, this is not style.
No, this is Ali.
Yeah.
Killing it.
Fancy
But
guy.
it's cute.
Yeah, you are.
Fancy
No,
guy.
I think
Fancy guy.
Anisha will be happy. I think she was like, keep an option. I'm already wearing her
Let's
stuff
take a picture and figure later.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
But coming back to that, I think it was a learning for us also.
Good thing is कि हम लोग लड़ते हैं तो it doesn't stick. Something will happen, we'll just giggle about it.
And then move on.
Yeah.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी approach है.
It's healthy, हाँ.
Since we were talking, I mean, I'm taking from the theme of the film as well. Puberty, teenagers, काफी अजीब भी होते हैं और खूबसूरत भी होते हैं now when we look back. So, how was puberty or like coming of age for you guys?
Puberty, coming of age तो is an ongoing process, I think. हर 2-3 साल में एक झटका लगता है सबको and people are forced to change and evolve. But puberty, teenage in Delhi was beautiful for me. I loved it.
Okay.
The city's also changed a lot.
बहुत.
हाँ.
और हवा तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा.
हाँ, हवा बहुत हवा. अब बाहर जाके सांस ले लो, it's like smoking.
Yeah, gas chamber.
But yeah, that time we had like lots of green cover.
Yeah.
My college was around Ridge, तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारे monkeys और it was beautiful actually.
Yeah.
School was also around a very green area.
Were you not
Lodi
battling
Road.
with all the teen issues or?
Who doesn't? But it wasn't such a big deal. Also, we didn't know we were battling with teen issues.
Yeah.
वो retrospectively पता चलता है I was battling with teen issues. At that time, it's like I have a crush on that boy. Why is he not saying hi to me? That's it. That life is simple.
Sweet.
मुझे exam में
ना तो
first आना है.
बड़ा हुआ था यार, adrenaline heavy.
हाँ.
But you were in a boarding school,
Yeah,
all
yeah.
boys, so obviously.
We were in Dehradun, so it was like just one event to the next to the next. Like, oh, at this time we have to go there. Evening sports happening, early morning, like
Wow.
you know, basketball, getting ready, PT, cross countries. Then I was heavy into short put, so that used to be my like year-end thing. That you know, I gotta get that in order. Hockey, so everything was very like you know, we used to get shut up about things. And this morning only, I think my old boys group was like going crazy because I think the school stopped boys from going out during midterms because Doon mein we used to get to go and
You're
climb.
from Doon School, right?
Yeah, so we had these expeditions we could go to. I think they've just cancelled that. So
Oh,
everybody was like, how can they do this? And then somebody's like, oh, but there's safety issues now. There's climate change. And so, oh, what the hell, man? We didn't have it this way. Like, what are these kids aajkal growing up, man? Like, you know?
Yeah.
So times change, I guess, right? Like, these are our problems now, and legit problems. Like,
But Doon School अपने आप में एक
Ecosystem है.
इकोसिस्टम है, अपना उसका एक कैरेक्टर है. और जो बाहर के लोगों की परसेप्शन है वो अलग है, but you somebody who is from Doon School,
Yeah.
what are 3 like really stand out things about?
actually, it makes you very street smart. You can survive anywhere. I think
Really?
you can anywhere on the like till date. I have one bag I'm stuck with, and I swear you could leave me on one island and I'll survive at least longer than the average Joe. So
Yeah, I think about 4-5
I even have a
days.
book in it. So I'm like, yeah, you know, while you're at it, I'll have a good story to read.
Good.
So it makes you street smart one. What are the 2 other things?
Okay, shit. Yeah, I should have gone with that. Number 2, you learn to balance out like all aspects of life because it's not just bhag rahe hain, it's an ICSE school, so ICSE ISC. So we weren't just about studies, and yet you had to keep your grades up because those would qualify. I mean, we would be sent for exchange programs. So there's constant interaction with other schools across the globe. There's sports, carpentry, metalwork. Like I'm trained in all these things. Like people don't. You know, we were part of different societies. We would write constantly. I was part of the school council. All these things. And there's a banking system that Doon has. So we were taught that also, right? Like at a young age of 13, where you know, so yeah,
Like even about taxes and all?
not you
Not
focus on
taxes.
squatting. taxes भी साथ ये अपनी banking ही बहुत है. Taxes भी समझ ही लो क्योंकि आधी चीजें कट जाती थी. Marks कटते थे. But yeah, you know, and like knowing how to get like a hospital chit, and then the punishments were like alag. There's a different hierarchy. All of that. It kind of was a holistic this thing. अब बाहर से बड़ा elite perception है. बाहर से लोग कहते हैं कि यार ये तो नहीं. It was protected because we again had a lovely green cover. So it's like
I
2
think
degrees
you
less
guys,
than the rest of the
because you
city.
had a lot of like space on the campus.
Yeah,
for
like 72
activities.
acres, man. It's
Swimming
huge.
pool or
Huge,
theatre.
huge.
Which is lacking in a lot of campuses these days. I mean,
Yeah,
it's-
of course.
they're not
Yeah,
as...
because everybody wants to just build. You don't let things let be. Like let the
हाँ.
grounds be.
Yeah.
But sorry, हम तो बम्बई से हैं तो हमारा तो कोपचो में चल रहा है. So when I came to Bombay, I was like, भाई ये क्या हो रहा है? गलत हो गया
When you
कुछ.
come to Bombay, you realize अरे ये building ही college है.
yeah.
मतलब अब जैसे Xavier इतना सुना था ना, Xavier मैं इतना सा
पर सुंदर भी है लेकिन Xavier.
उसमें सुंदर है. फिर then you start
Comparing.
नहीं, then you start making yourself comfortable कि this is big.
Yeah.
Because then you go to the others
Yeah.
and they are like
I think Sophia, I went once. कुछ तुम आप workshop में कुछ तो
बहुत
था.
बड़ा है. Trust me.
कहाँ बड़ा है?
बहुत बड़ा है
और
वो.
उनका एक तो डिपार्टमेंट था which is like बहुत ही पतली सीढ़ियों से होके
बड़ा है
मुझे ऐसा
भाई.
लगा कि मैं and because also it's in town so
सीढ़ियाँ हैं, बहुत
It's
बड़ा
on
है.
a hill. I went to Sophia's for my postgrad. तो
oh
वहाँ पे hostel भी वही है. There's a special school. There's a, I think, graduate college and postgrad.
हाँ मतलब अंदर एक बार घुस जाओ मेन में then it of course it looks big but
Yeah,
all
it's big
these
enough, yeah. There's a like a
पता नहीं मेरी जो
there's an
memories हैं-
auditorium also. So you sure you went to the right place?
Yeah, I did. But I think the section that I went to
हाँ.
had a very tight.
आप वो special school में चले गए. There's like a school for adults with Down syndrome and other needs,
No.
special
It
needs.
was for journalism students कुछ ऐसा था.
हाँ, yes.
But
ऊपर एक building,
हाँ,
polytechnic.
Okay.
हाँ, yeah.
तो वो maybe.
Yeah.
Anyways, since you said global exchange program, your film has also won so many global
Oh,
accolades.
I thought global
nice.
exchange student.
Oh,
No, because he
nice.
said ना Dune School की बात करते हैं कि global
Yeah,
exchange program. So it's like
yeah.
आपकी
Yeah,
film भी
yeah.
is quite
Yeah.
what is the
No, because the character he
plays
comes
that.
from
Oh,
a
yeah,
global
yeah, yeah.
exchange
Oh, I
or
thought-
something. Yeah,
Yeah,
should get out
but
of
I
the
like
state.
this more.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean Sundance as well.
Yeah.
So how has that been going
That was the first time we watched the film, so
Yeah.
it was even more special.
with the audience?
Yeah,
Yeah, with the
all of
audience,
us
with
together.
all of us.
That
Yeah.
was in January. So the journey has actually started from there.
Yeah.
Of course.
Jan to December.
Yeah. Been quite
Full year.
Full year of.
And what was it like watching it with audience and with your producers?
And with Meera Nair.
And Meera
I will be
Nair,
right
yeah.
there, yeah.
I think it's a great experience watching it with people because they're so vocal. And maybe it's Sundance, but I've also experienced the same reaction in other countries. And they're just so nervous watching the film that there'll be one person in the audience who will be like, and then the whole audience will just start laughing. So it's really fun to watch it with audience. And it's also like
Do you think the audience is nervous as it they don't go really all out because festival audience?
yeah,
ऐसा?
they have this thinking we have to be quiet, but then they can't stop, getting cringed while watching it. But also, it's a test, like a cultural test, because there are certain scenes which have
Yeah.
different cultural contexts.
Mm.
So let's say in America, we have this scene where there's a cake cutting, and it's like a very, very intimate and very personal thing to feed someone with their hands. So they all went like, "What is happening?" But in India, let's say when there's a scene where he gets his test grades and he has 8 out of 20, so Indian people were laughing at that. कि इसको इतने कम marks मिले हैं. So it's a nice test to see where people are laughing
And
exactly.
how they are interpreting
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
What was it like for you?
Very, very similar. I think for me, more than the audience, the first time it was just me and the film. So that was very.
But no such feeling like कि because बहुत लोगों को ऐसा होता है कि अपने आप को screen पे नहीं देख पाते हैं.
हाँ हाँ,
for the first
वही
time.
हो रहा था कि नहीं देख पा रहा था. And then दूसरे बार
कल इंटरव्यू में वो कह रहे थे तुम बहुत लोग लव वाचिंग योरसेल्फ. तुमने कहा यस वही हो रहा था. आई वाज वाचिंग माय सेल्फ. आज तुम पूरा
वो प्रेशर में आके उसने जो लगा वो बोल दिया. सही ठीक लगा.
कल इंटरव्यू नहीं था मैं.
नाइस.
Somewhere in the middle.
But yeah, it was. Yeah, this one was crying next to me in the
Because-
starting scene itself.
Seeing yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first scene I cried because they didn't let me take the school pledge when I became the head prefect in my school. And then I watched it.
What could be the reason for them to stop taking the pledge?
They were just probably like
What's the point?
not sexist because other head girls had gotten the chance. They were, I don't know what is it. There must be some
other politics.
some
But what
politics.
Politics for the head prefect.
Yeah.
हाँ school में तो ये
Just like-
this is very common.
Yeah, and like I've resonated with Meera in the sense that there's always this group of people who are against you if you're with the teachers or you're with the rules. So they kind of start disliking you because you're. I mean, if you're with the rules, then you're kind of against your friends. So there's like a group of people who will turn against you. So maybe there was some politics going on back then. But what I really enjoyed was that when I saw the film and I saw myself taking pledge, I knew that this is always going to be there. No matter now that it's out.
Watch
on
out,
OTT.
Noida school. You want to mention your school? Which school was it?
No, I don't want to mention.
1 second, now you might as well.
Now you might as well.
Yeah, it's okay.
No, I can't.
It's a guess.
They won't
find out.
Yeah.
Can you please Google what school she
No.
was in?
Yeah, please, guys. Noida people, please comment down. Or her classmates.
No.
Go ahead.
किसी लौंडे ने बैठ के मुझ पे एक रैंडम मीम बनाई है जो ट्रेंड हो रही है तो ये तो सबसे इजी काम है I think it was cheap too.
Really? Possible.
Sorry.
But as producers, I know थोड़ा सा obvious question है और शायद irritate भी कर सकता है कि what's next on the global stage for this film because you've already achieved so much. But where do you want to take it next, or you think it'll
So
find
the
its
thing
own
is,
way?
we came to India after much travel.
Hmm.
We were at Sundance, then the film. So we had international sales agents. So film पहले France में release हुई, US में release हुई, UK. Then lots of smaller territories, what we call small territories, like maybe Poland or Romania or Indonesia or Japan talks are on. So it's actually coming home the last. We wanted to finish that round of premieres all over the world because कई बार festivals भी चाहते हैं कि उनकी territory का premiere उनके festival के साथ हो. Like Mami Mumbai Film Festival wanted the India premiere, so we had to save it for that. So ऐसा travel करके finally is coming to India.
And it has premiered at Mami.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We
It premiered, it ran full.
sweeped up,
लड़ाइयाँ
yeah.
हो गई, लोग अंदर नहीं घुस पाए, उनको ticket नहीं मिला तो. So yeah, we won 4 awards there. अब Prime पे available है तो we are
I
very
mean,
happy.
list the festivals here.
Where we won the awards?
Yeah. Go.
Sundance, Transylvania,
El Guna. 2 awards.
There's a festival in France called Biarritz or Nouvelle
Biarritz.
Vague. Biarritz.
Yeah.
Golden Coconut Award.
Yes.
Then
Love the name, no? Golden Coconut.
That's
Golden coconut.
Yeah.
and
Chinese
Chinese,
award.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then there was
Brilliant.
there's one in Jakarta.
Busan,
Yeah.
we just showed.
We just showed, yeah.
Okay. Anyway.
I was just gonna मतलब मेरा network नहीं चल रहा but मैंने ChatGPT से पूछा था which all international accolades this film has won and it listed just 4 and I was like it can't be 4 because it listed like यहाँ पे 2 यहाँ पे ये
No,
and then
sometimes
it's
it's
like,
been screened at festivals that can't have, like South by Southwest, it was screened there. It's very prestigious to screen there.
Yeah.
So ऐसे film travel to several places.
you achieved
but
quite a lot but any goal for this film
Abhi the thing that we are nominated for is the Independent
Independent
Spirit
Spirit
Awards.
Awards,
That'll
yeah.
happen in Feb next year in LA. तो वहाँ पे कुछ मिल जाता है तो Kani Kusrati,
2
the lovely
nominations.
Kani Kusrati is nominated
Yeah.
and the creative team was nominated.
how was it working with Kani?
Amazing. She's like has had an amazing career,
Yeah.
phenomenal performer, but also very humble, very down to earth.
Very human.
Very
is what,
human.
I've
Yeah.
never met her, but
Yeah.
जो भी मैंने जितना सुना और लोगों से जितना बातचीत हुई, very human and which is
Yeah.
absolutely beautiful.
She's
How
I
was it
think
like?
she's an alien.
She's
Or
just
me an alien.
Why would she call you an alien?
yeah. Had she been sitting here, she would be constantly looking at you
Giggling,
and
giggling.
laughing. She would have really loved your Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Maybe.
So I had seen a lot of bits and parts of her in Malayalam films growing up, and then even while shooting, I couldn't actually see the magic. But then when I watched it in Sundance, is when after that I texted her. I was like, "What have you done in the film? It's like it's so good."
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm a fan of her work now, after Girls. And,
Now
yeah.
meaning?
कि उसके बाद
Wow, wow. Finally, Keshav is a fan of Kani. Finally.
After he's
After
seen her work.
her films are going to Golden. So funny.
Yeah, but a great time for Indian cinema actually to
Yes.
be going on the
Indian
global
independent cinema,
stage.
yeah.
Yeah.
Independent cinema.
Independent cinema.
What do you think of Lapata Ladies? The
I mean, didn't make the cut.
yeah, that's what I'm
Didn't
saying.
make the
So
cut, yeah.
that was quite disappointing.
I mean,
Disappointing. But the thing is, honestly, for me, I found the citation very funny. That an
Hmm.
all male jury was like Indian women are
Dominant and submissive.
dominance and submission. I was like,
Yeah.
what?
बहुत cute
Yeah.
uncles हैं सारे.
ये
Yeah.
कहाँ की है?
The committee that
The committee.
selected films,
Oh.
they were all men.
अच्छा
All
ये
men.
हमारी कमिटी.
Yeah.
जी, इंडिया
Oh.
से जो
हाँ.
10 फिल्में थी
I
शॉर्टलिस्ट
know.
में, all we
They had done a
Imagine
press
was
conference also.
Yes, they
हाँ,
had done a
हाँ.
press con
Oh, wait, so
also.
All We Imagine was part of that.
All We Imagine was in the top 10 also,
okay.
but
Yeah.
they like ranked it at 7. So lots of films will be, even I think Pushpa or something very mainstream was also in the lineup.
Yeah.
But their selection, reason for selecting Lapata Ladies was saying that Indian women are a mix of submission and dominance. Which
Ouch.
no,
Okay.
not ouch, as in
What?
women only didn't understand. Then I thought that perhaps it would be nice to have more gender diversity on the selection committee. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the future.
मेरा अगला सवाल ये होने वाला था. Do you want to talk about like how we select and send our films? So I think this is a great input there. कि more diverse panel.
More diverse panels for all things, always, no?
Yeah.
True.
But I don't know how we select and send our films. None of us have been there. Na, apne ko
Actually, I
pata
mean,
nahi.
Payal's film is having a dream run right now.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
films like that is hard to stop them from getting where they need to.
I've got a great personal story as well. Like to come from FTI and then fight
Yeah.
there and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
eventually
Yeah.
come out as winner. It's
Yeah.
commendable personal.
I'm just really happy, and I think we're all gunning for it to
Yeah.
go all the way. Like it's
Yeah.
amazing. It's historic. We should be like screaming about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They've gone to the globes. It's
Yeah.
just not like we're not making enough noise.
Yeah.
So that's it. I don't know how the committees choose whoever, but it is what it is, and that's fine. We go with it. We
But-
always go with things.
Like that's also another part of films that we kind of associate them a lot with awards. I feel like a film's real test is a test of time. How much people will connect with it. And I feel like that film is doing it even for Lapata Ladies, even though if it didn't make it to the
Yeah, they did
short
really
list.
well here.
They did
Yeah.
really well.
I thought it was
And for the
great.
scale that they were,
Yeah.
and then to
Yeah.
be what they became.
They
Yeah.
did a great deal on streaming, and
Yeah.
before that also they had great box office.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they did,
And
yeah.
with so-called non-name, whatever जो भी बोलते हैं लोग के
Labels.
new cast,
Yeah.
known.
Was
known
that a
faces.
concern for you guys? Because you were casting these newcomers, and did you
Yeah.
ever? Well, of course you had Kani, but then did you want like
Actually, we had a lot of resistance to the. I mean, now that
Known
the film is out
faces.
there,
Hmm.
no, not known faces. We didn't have resistance to known faces, unknown faces. We had resistance to this cast from even within our team. हमारे भी 2-3 देशों के co-producers हैं
हाँ
ना.
हाँ right.
So somebody was like, try another girl. Somebody was like, try another mom. Somebody was like, the boy should
the
look like
combination.
this. They're not looking.
Boy
put
should know how to squat
together.
better.
So sometimes opposition comes from अपनी team से भी. There are many opinions.
But then what made you sit down on them?
The thing is, it's difficult.
Don't say that. That's like those are fights we kind of like it's.
No, I
don't-
mean,
you don't
no,
have to
not
know,
like
yeah.
No,
fights.
but I
They
mean,
were
it's a
not-
good thing for them that they, eventually.
No, I'm not speaking of it in terms of a fight.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is, when you have a French producer and you have an Indian partner, also producing partner, to manage expectations, because everybody brings their own culture.
And it's
It's
subjective
very
also now. Everything
Yeah.
is so like creative. things
Yeah.
It's
are
like how she
subjective.
said about the film, right? Like the reactions were different.
Yeah, it's
And
the cultural.
similarly before, so we kind of had to be those peeps who would like bring them all together and say, hey, look at the larger picture.
Look at the larger picture. That's what I mean. For instance, not to diss on anyone, but the French team said, Kani is so beautiful and so exotic. How can she ever feel insecure of anyone else? So you see, to manage cultural expectations is a whole other ball game. You have to explain कि हम यहाँ रहते हैं, यहाँ ये reality, यहाँ ऐसा है, वैसा है. But we are very happy and we really stuck to our guns with this cast.
Mhm.
Okay, we'd like to close it with the future of independent and Indian cinema. Shabana Azmi ji in an interview very recently said कि OTT platform की problem ये हो गई है कि they had a very free platform and they could do anything, but now they are also in a formula. जैसे अब मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा में हमने देखा है कि वो हर किसी को पता है क्या फिल्म कैसा कास्ट और कैसी packaging will work. OTT is also now succumbing to it. What do you think? Do you see that as a pattern? Because I'm talking about future of like, let's say 2025 is what
I mean, if I may, I think they're great for independent cinema because suddenly, and this was a wise decision we made at the tail end of our journey.
Or otherwise you were thinking of it as a
Yeah,
category.
because
we
we
all
could
want
वो
theatricals.
option था.
In an ideal world, like come on, we all love the celluloid, but we had a few theatricals outside and all that.
Yeah.
That journey happened. here we are at a junction where the producers need to recoup their monies. We also want people to watch it, and OTT was the best solution. Suddenly, automatically today, like the entire country is watching it,
Yeah.
and I don't know if we would have gotten that, and we would have had to spend money also to release it. Nobody else would spend it. We would have had to spend that money. So
Yeah.
the math didn't work, and I think it was a really wise. So from that angle, I think the OTTs are great. I
Yeah.
think the model when it started, वहाँ डामाडोल हो गया.
See, I
Because
think
everybody like
Shabana was talking about, I think series also, you know, मतलब जो original series
yeah
shows
because
में formula use होना.
Yeah.
Concept wise, मतलब घुमा फिरा के theme हम I think बड़ी ones,
because there was
the big ones.
disproportionate allocation of
Yeah.
things of creative teams and budgets at the very start. So suddenly then the finance the model didn't work, and so the formulas always come back to rescue. Right?
Yeah.
It's always lean back, man, lean back, because hey.
Do what you know.
So
Safe
um,
to look safe.
and hopefully this will break. I mean, I think Girls is a very very unique film, even though there are great films
We're
out
trending, guys.
but,
India.
Yay!
there. Yeah.
After just one day.
Go watch
That's
it on Prime
amazing.
Video if you haven't already. I have. I loved it. Also, Hira Mandi. Wow, because we spoke before Hira Mandi.
We spoke after Fukre.
हाँ, right.
Yes.
But I
तब हम
remember we
चाट
talked
खाने
about
गए थे।
Hira Mandi.
मतलब
Yeah.
चाट खाते वक्त ना ये तो
चाट
बहुत
खाते वक्त जब
चाट
भी
बनाते वक्त तो
बनाते वक्त
episode
भी,
देखना चाहिए, it's
खाते वक्त
hilarious.
भी, and then Richa said कि Ali and I always have this fight about कहाँ की चाट बेहतर है, लखनऊ की या
दिल्ली
दिल्ली
की।
की, or maybe UP versus
नहीं
Delhi.
I agree दिल्ली की चाट यार अच्छी हो तो पता
हाँ।
चल जाता
हैं
दिल्ली
आप
चाट।
भी
But
तो
बिरयानी
कैमरा
की
रोड
बहुत
से पहले कह रहे थे
लड़ाई
आगरा वाली से।
बिरयानी की बिरयानी की
भी,
बहुत लड़ाई है।
बाकायदा लड़ाइयाँ हो जाती हैं हैदराबाद और लखनऊ की, बट चाट इज स्टिल लाइक ऐसा
लवा हुई सब
friendly neighbor.
बकायदा,
हाँ
बाकायदा।
बकायदा, the little nukta that you had.
We clearly know his side.
नहीं
No, so
गर्म पानी नहीं है अच्छा
guys, हाँ भाई गर्म पानी. But Hira Mandi, oh my God, my mind was blown. And then the final dance sequence,
Yeah.
wow, like how, again, I know it's again very stupid question, how did you crack it? I'm sorry.
no but
Because I asked it from you as well.
No,
but
actually
I
उस
would
दिन
love to
आया
know.
था वो set पे. He came.
you were there for that
I know.
ultimate.
I saw that, but
Wow.
I saw that in happening, not the final take. I ran out because I didn't want to be like, you know.
Do you feel okay when your partner is like there? Because I think a lot of people have that problem. Like, I don't want like my close ones to watch me perform.
It depends actually for the song. Actually उसमें बहुत focus चाहिए था. It needed 100% focus.
But I don't
it's a
think-
round trolley shot
Yeah.
while dancing. and
Technicality
driving.
बहुत ज़्यादा थी.
हाँ.
But at that level,
So
I don't think
beautiful,
I
yeah.
would have been able to distract you. I think she has immense focus. and
Two
like
questions.
I-
What does it do when Ali is watching you perform? Does it help or does it affect you?
I've only ever done plays when he's watching me perform. Other than that, we've
Does
done
that help?
play
Plays.
together.
No.
Plays.
Which plays?
Ali, you've come to watch me, no?
Oh, yeah.
Trivial Disasters. One
Oh
more
yeah,
time.
yeah.
कैसा
Oh,
आदमी
shit,
है?
yeah.
So does it help?
Huh?
Does it help when he's there or does
He's
it?
actually very like a great because we both come sort of from theatre. So ye, I remember when we had the first few shows for a play that we did a whole bunch of us did a play. So ये आया था cookies and coffee लेके सबके लिए to buck them up and cheer
Aw.
them. Even for Bansali Saab's set, he was there. I think he ran away because he sensed कि मुझे डांट पड़ने वाली है. So he was like मैं जाता हूँ.
But my second question was gonna be, yeah, how did you crack it? He also wants to know it. How did
Yeah, I
you
would
really
love
that.
come to that? Because there are so many. See, acting में, dialogue में, I think variations होना एक अलग बात है. But in a dance sequence, there was a full journey, like a graph
Yeah,
of
I mean,
emotions.
I actually only did the show to do that dance sequence because in my career I've been told a lot that you can't do lip sync and you can't do these like song and dance kind of things. So I
You
was
can't do as in you as a person.
You
or-
as in,
oh,
I-
oh
I
God,
cannot.
Terrible people.
no, it's fine. I don't really care because see the thing is also you see someone doing like taar bijli se patle hamare piya. It's difficult to envision that person, you know, transition into a role like this after 10 years. So that I don't blame them. But I thought, why if you have to do a song, who better to do it with than
Yeah.
Mr. Bansali?
So yeah, tell us, how did you crack it?
क्या crack उसमें?
इतने सारे there are different emotions. You start with
So
like
we
a little bit of I think embarrassment, and a little bit of shame, and then eventually you go into
So basically what I do for anything, अभी वो गाना भी गाए या sports करे या कुछ भी करे, once you crack the character then it's easy. You have to crack the person. Who is this person? Is this person, so this person is drunk, this person is delulu, this person is lonely, and this person has abandonment issues and she can be quite clingy. You crack that, then you crack her like, so you know, in love she'll do all of these things. Then and she's thinking it's love. For the other side it's not. So you know, and I actually really love working with him.
Yeah.
We bring out the best in
Best.
each other. There's a lot of tussle. There's a lot of unsaid tussle between us.
Loves you. My God.
I also love him. I love him too. But there's a unsaid like sort of like, you want to make me cry, but I will cry in the scene. That kind of energy is there. So to give a short answer is like you work with the emotion of the moment.
Got it.
Yeah.
We close it with your hope for 2025.
Mm.
Personal hope या फिर better
कुछ भी,
if you
कुछ
are
भी।
in Delhi type of hope.
कोई भी हो सकती है. Global hope हो सकती है, personal hope हो
Yeah, I
सकती है.
mean, I hope अगले साल तक, like, this is the best time to start thinking about the pollution in Delhi for everyone, so that
I think
next
वो
year.
best time 5 साल पहले ही आ गया था वैसे, but
Yeah, I know. I hope the
just
next
feel
year.
so hopeless about it.
Yeah, I hope the next year, like October, November, December, I can breathe
Yeah.
here. Yeah.
Okay. Anything on personal front that you have a goal of?
This is personal now. It has to be personal actually.
Yeah.
I think learning a few more skills.
Oh please, bus kar.
कुछ
She's a, sorry, I'm cutting. She's a singer, superb singer. Now studying animation, has directed her short film. Wants to be a director,
Yeah.
by the way.
Wow.
Wants to
dancer,
also
dancer
direct.
as well.
Won't give up acting.
yeah, no,
Yeah.
I know.
And dancer.
Yeah,
Which you are also.
yeah. But that's how the field is, no? Like
No यार, इतना underestimate मत
you
करो.
are a great dancer.
अरे
come
but
on.
मैं तो ऐसे शौक के लिए कर रहा हूँ, but
Same. तो वो शौक अगर skill में बदल जाएगा तो that'll be.
हाँ.
That's what I
हाँ,
want.
even I want to like train. मुझे ऐसा
Yeah.
लगता है कुछ और वो.
Yeah.
हाँ जी.
I usually don't hope for things. बिना hope के मेरे को चीजें मिल जाती तो मैं
Wow.
नहीं मानता.
Wow, I love it.
Wow.
That's a good
Yeah.
approach.
It's a great approach.
I did not hope for all of this.
It's a very evolved thought actually.
Yeah. So very evolved thought. True.
But like I said to you guys, be hopeful, but don't get your expectations up.
Yeah.
Don't expect. Be hopeful. Because
But ये
industry
कैसे-
is industry.
but कैसे कर सकते हैं? ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है.
नहीं कर सकते
Don't
हैं.
have expectations.
No, don't have expectations. That's like we can tell you from a point of view of people who are outsiders.
That's very hard to like.
Yeah,
चलो
to
ठीक
not
है
have
यार, चलो,
expectations.
चलो,
Sorry,
हाँ.
what are your
चलो.
goals for 2025? What do you want? What's your hope? What's
I have very sorted goals, like big goals.
I'm with you on it.
wow,
Done.
love it.
Yeah.
One is the goal we discussed in the morning.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Good.
All
We
That's
don't
a-
know that.
that's
So
a
that
secret
is a
goal.
secret goal.
Well, we have a baby girl now.
Oh,
She's
yeah.
5 months.
Yeah.
How did we not talk about it?
क्यों
हाँ,
फिर तुम्हें क्या करना है फुफ्फड़
I
जी?
know कि भाई बच्चे का बताओ कैसे किस पे गई है.
मुझे एक डिश क्रैक करनी है 2025 में. वो मेरा दिमाग उस पे अटका हुआ है.
बिरयानी?
नहीं, एक है, एक रेसिपी है. मैं करूंगा, बनाऊंगा तो उसको वीडियो करूंगा उसको.
Okay.
Good goal, no? I want to write a book. I want to produce another thing.
Wow.
I want to finish a script I'm writing and
Wow.
see if we can get some funds for it, hopefully.
Okay.
And I want to do that musical play with you, the traveling musical play, which we thought, क्योंकि फिर वो बड़ी हो जाएगी तो उसका स्कूल वूल का चक्कर होगा यार. सोच लो.
निकाल लेंगे उसको. मूविंग स्कूल.
Has motherhood changed your creativity or influenced your creativity?
Definitely changed my level of patience and
Or how you see things?
I don't know yet. It's very new, but yeah, intuition, patience, yeah, kindness, but also protectiveness, like fully. ये क्या था?
You're
मच्छर.
pretty good at that right now.
Or your
I can
reflexes?
catch a machhar mid-flight. Mid-flight, हाँ, पंख से.
Yeah, and keeping it alive.
Wow. Wow. protective for everyone. then.
Yeah.
मच्छर
Protective
को
of
भी
मच्छर
use
as well.
That
That's
should be a
another,
skill you
yeah.
should learn next year.
Me?
कि
Why
मच्छर के
would
घर
I
वाले
use
वेट
it?
कर रहे होंगे
हाँ।
इतना प्यार से रख
हाँ।
देती हूँ
कहाँ रहते हो
क्या
तुम?
जुए पालते हो
This is you were saying, he was saying you're very considerate, so it's like
No,
you're
not
like
considerate.
with not with the
No,
machar.
no, no, not with
नहीं
the
उन
machar.
सबको हमने रखा हुआ है साथ में सारे मच्छर जितने पकड़े हैं उनको ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं हम अब
Oh my god.
निंजा ट्रेनिंग चल रही है सबकी
Yeah.
Love it. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत
Thank
बधाइयाँ
you.
गर्ल्स विल बी गर्ल्स
Thank
के
you.
लिए
Thank you so
और जिन्होंने नहीं देखी प्लीज जाके देखिए congratulations and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
thanks for watching the film.
Yeah.
अरे, of course, it's a
Normally
pleasure.
लोग बिना देखे इंटरव्यू करते हैं तो हमें भी नहीं समझ में आता
Yeah.
क्यों,
कितना
क्या
बता
तो
पूछ
मुझे
रहे
कल
हैं?
थोड़ा प्रेप करना था, आई थॉट कि मैं प्रेप करता हूँ, आई मीन आई सर्च अबाउट थिंग्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव मेट, तो मुझे लगा यार मैं पुराना कुछ देखता था, लाइक वेट व्हाई एम आई डूइंग ऑल ऑफ
We are
दैट?
all fans of the Jhumru.
Oh, that's very sweet.
Yeah, you made
It's very
the
kind of you.
pandemic quite
Very,
fun. Yeah,
I'm glad
very
you say that.
relatable.
I want to know which D-Day park you go and shoot your early
So I was in
morning.
36 sector पहले
अच्छा,
नोएडा
हाँ,
में,
हाँ.
so तब I used to, it was not DDA, but
Yeah.
वहाँ जाके I used to, now I've shifted,
हाँ.
but yeah,
Yeah.
but so हाँ, तो मैंने ये सोचा था कि यार मैं रिसर्च करता हूँ, then I was like नहीं यार मैं मूवी देख लेता हूँ ना यार,